Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about emphasizing adjective. Okay, emphasizing adjective. And as you all of you know that we are in the middle of types of adjective, and today we are going to learn emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjective is used to emphasize statements. Actually, it is used to emphasize statements. Here this word reduces the effect of a noun that they modify. Actually, even if they are taken away, that word if we taken away, the sentence still makes complete sense. For example, sit in your own chair. This is a sentence. Suppose we think that sit in your own chair. If we remove that on, sit in your chair, it has a complete sense. Like that way, though if we remove the emphasizing adjective, the sentence has its own sense. For example, it is sheer nonsense, or it was utter foolishness. If we remove this utter, it was foolishness. It was utter foolishness. If we remove this utter, it was foolishness. It has a sense. It makes complete sense. It is sheer nonsense. If we remove sheer from this sentence, it is nonsense. If though we remove the sheer, it is nonsense. It makes complete sentence. It makes complete sense. It has complete sense. So let me show through the example. What is emphasizing adjectives? They are the words used to emphasize the noun. Actually, they are the words to emphasize. Okay, emphasize the noun. They highlight or show importance of a particular person, place, or thing. Emphasizing is nothing but showing more importance, more than the noun. Okay, and here, for example, this is the very bike my son wants to buy. This is the very bike. Here, very. Okay, here very is emphasizing the noun bike. Very is emphasizing the noun bike. This very is emphasizing the noun bike. Okay, by modifying it. Okay, here this very is emphasizing the noun, that is bike, by modifying it. So that's why it is known as emphasizing adjective. Okay, if we remove this very, this is the bike my son wants to buy. Yes, it makes complete sense. It has its own meaning. Okay, though we remove this emphasizing adjective from the sentence, it has its own meaning. It has its own complete sense. The statement makes complete sense. Okay, the statement makes, or the sentence complete sense. Okay, even without the emphasizing adjective, the statement makes the statement or the sentence makes the complete sense. Okay, and in the same way, let us see the next one. This is the very book I got on Amazon. Yes, this is the very book. This is emphasizing the noun book. It is emphasizing the very noun book. So it is known as emphasizing adjective. Okay, and in the next example, I saw them with my own eyes. Okay, I saw them with my own eyes. So if we remove on, I saw them with my eyes, it has complete sense. It gives a complete meaning. But this emphasizes the noun. Okay, this on emphasizes the noun eyes and modifies. Okay, and modify it. So this is known as emphasizing adjective. Next one is mind your own business. We can say mind your business. Without this also, it gives meaning. But when we add this emphasizing adjective, mind your own business, this emphasizes the noun business. It emphasizes the noun business. So it is known as emphasizing adjective. And the next one is, she has to arrange her own meals. Though we remove this, she has to arrange her meals. It has its own meaning. But here own is, it is emphasizing the noun meals and modify it. So this is known as emphasizing adjective. Okay. And in the same way, I have painted it with my own hands. With my own hands, with my own, we are emphasizing the word. Okay, this own is emphasizing the noun. Own is emphasizing the noun hands and it modifies. So it is known as emphasizing adjective. Okay, and in the same way, they are used to emphasize the noun. Let me write here. This emphasizing adjectives, they are used to emphasize the noun that they modify by highlighting their importance. It do not impact the meaning of the sentence. As I told you that if I remove this also, it do not impact the sentence. It do not impact. It has its own meaning. This is the bike my son wants to buy. But when we write this emphasizing adjective, this what does it do? Are used to emphasize the noun that they are modified by highlighting. They are highlighting highlighting and their importance. Okay, this is highlighting and this is giving more importance for this noun, as it modifies the noun, and also it is emphasizing the noun by modifying it. It is known as emphasizing adjective. So when, on are mostly used in the emphasizing adjective. There are many other emphasizing adjectives as on, sure, utter, many are there. Actually all the adjectives comes under emphasizing adjective normally. So hope you understood. Please watch my videos. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.